I'm Shirish Kulkarni. I'm the founder and director of Inclusive Journalism Cymru, which is a network to connect, support and protect journalists from marginalised backgrounds and or identities in Wales. So for some of these writers, it's absolutely life-changing. I've had the most incredible kind of WhatsApp messages from some of the people who selected saying exactly that. It's like the opportunity to have their story told, to get people reading it and engaging with those stories feels really important, because you suddenly start to feel like you belong in a different way and you have a say in the world. And it's important because we are telling half the story right now. We're not getting the stories of the whole diversity of Wales, the whole richness of Wales. And if those stories aren't being told, if people don't see themselves reflected in essays, in media, in journalism, then they become disconnected. And rightly, that's a rational decision. If the systems aren't telling your story, why should you be part of those systems? So it's about really a kind of big societal systems change thing, which we're doing through this micro intervention, which is publishing a book and telling those stories.